Hi there, for today's reading activity you're going to need your journal. So go ahead and get your journal out and write today's date, 5/17/21. Then you're going to write the title of today's story. Pele, King of Soccer. The reason why I want you to write the title is because you might need one of these words. Pele, King of Soccer. You might need one of these words for your activity. So I'll give you a moment to catch up. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. But what I'd like for you to do is finish this sentence. I learned, tell me what you learned about Pele. So you should have got some ideas from your reading discussion. I asked you to think about something you learned from today's story, today's biography. Think back to the story, Pele. He was the king of soccer. Think of the different things that have happened. How he worked hard to be a good soccer player, to get to play on the World Cup. How he won the World Cup for Brazil, and how he had a goal of making 1,000 goals in soccer. Think of all the different things that happened. Pick something that you learned, that you liked, or maybe that you talked about from your reading discussion. Finish the sentence, I learned, tell me what you learned, and then draw a picture. And in your picture, I want you to label it. So if you draw Pele, then I want you to do a little arrow pointing, saying Pele. If you draw a soccer ball, write soccer ball, okay? All right, I hope you enjoy today's little reading activity.